To remove the shifter surround, take a pry tool, start at the top, work your way around until you get it popped up. Okay, so you can see these little clips here. The only other thing you have to do is disconnect this little piece. There's a part right there. You push in on here and that will release the clip. Okay, so right here is what I was saying. If you push down on this, that piece right there, down there, slide it out. Now I'm going to pull this up. There is a T25 right up there. You see that? I have to get in there and unscrew that, and that will take our shifter out.